I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on Ultra Knee Elite reviews. This video will help you know whether the product Ultra Knee Elite is a legit one or a scam. If you have not ordered this product yet, this unbiased review of mine will help you decide the answer to your question, should I buy the product or not. Moreover friends, if you have experienced any fraud over the product, watch our video till end as I'm going to share a way to get your money back. But before that friends, I will talk about the product and help you know what this product exactly is. Here you can see the picture of the product. It's an Ultra Knee Elite. This product comes with special promotion up to 60% off. Here you can see that it has a armpit breathable which keeps you dry. It comes with a 3D weaving, patella gel, pads, knee protection, exquisite workmanship and side spring stabilizers. It improves your active quality of life every day. Now as you can see, this is made up of tri-weave neoprene material that keeps your knee warm and supple, providing a natural joint lubrication so that you can get more flexibility in your knees. It is made up of a easy breathable and machine washable material which keeps your knees at just the right temperature. Medically approved natural alternative to surgery, shots and medications. It is suitable for both men and women. Now the product's usage is very simple guys, but before I share the product usage and its legitimacy checkpoints, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel as it will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for your assistance. Moving further friends, here you can see the usage of the product. It's very simple. Only you have to follow 3 simple steps. Now first, order your Ultra Knee Elite compression sleeve today to take advantage of the 44% off sale before the deal ends. After receiving your knee sleeve, just wear it with pride and enjoy superior relief without the hefty price tags. Third is you have to use your Ultra Knee Elite sleeve daily. You can wear it at the time of walking, eating or any time of the day underneath all kinds of jeans, pants, dresses, skirts and shorts. So it is quite simple guys. As you can see, the 3D knitting, spring support and the silica gel pad help you to move with more flexibility and stability. Now talking about the customer reviews and social media presence, well guys, we found that this product is not much popular on social media websites. Also we have received a lot of customer reviews on this very website which is selling the product, but apart from that we did not receive any customer review about the product. Moving further, I would like to also tell that there are hundreds of other knee products which will be available on many authentic websites including Amazon.com. So guys, overall this product comes with a lot of benefits, but I would like to say that if you are looking for a genuine product, though we cannot tell you about the genuinity of this product as it is new in the market. Here friends, I would like to say that this product is not much recommended one because we did not found much reviews on it. Guys, if you have purchased this product, please share your feedback with us as it will help other customers to know exactly about the product. Now it's the time to share the money back option. Guys, if you have faced any problem with the product and looking for the money back option, watch the link which is given in our description box. This link has been provided by us to help you get your money back. Also, please comment on this video, like our video, subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Guys, be safe, be informed.